So in this video, we are going to see project initiation, that is, what are the necessary things to start a project. We will see it in this video. So whenever we start a project, we check it and we call it initialization, or it is called project initiation. In this, we have to check all the things like what requirement is there for the project, what all the things are included in it. Then all those things are called project. In the beginning, we mainly do two things in it. It includes two processes in which the first is your develop project charter and the second is identify the stakeholder. What is it? And if we look further in it, then these two, what is there in the process is included in the project initiation. So whenever we start the project initiation, what exactly is the project charter inside it? So there is, we have to create the documentation that happens within this process which authorizes the project. So we call it project charter. So inside this project charter, your project manager participates and creates the charter preparation or prepares the charter, and whatever is the project charter, it gives the authority to the project manager to utilize the resources in a good manner, which it has been offered to them by the organization or has been provided to them. Then you have to make a project charter accordingly. And that authority is given to the project manager, and the project that is chartered will be the formally authorizes your project to initiate your project. Your project starts from here. Then when we prepare the project charter, what are the things included in it? Then it includes project statement of work. In this, the document describes what outcome is going to come from it, what will be your final project or what is the final product and its result. We call it project statement of work. Second comes your business case, that is, which this justifies what you are going to do with your investment in it and whether it will be invested in any other project and what cost benefits will you get from it. Will you get all that? All this includes in business case. Or what is needed, then all those things are described in your business case. Next comes your agreement, which is the formal documentation within the agreement between two entities, owner and contractor. Both have legal documentation, it comes within the agreement in which your MOU comes or the letter of agreements comes. Your documentation is left in it, approvals are done. Then all that stuff is included in your agreements. After that, next comes the enterprise environmental factors, which we had discussed in the previous video, which are created to influence the organization's culture or its organization structure or its marketplace conditions or by processing its inputs. After that comes your organization process asset. There are different templates and historical information inside OPA, which are used by OPA, that is organization process asset, which we had also seen in the previous video. What are the parts inside it? What is the output you get from charter preparation? So we have seen the input. Now what is the output we get from it? So what is the purpose of the project? It gets defined by you. After that, what is your requirement? If there will be high level requirement, then what is going to be required for it? Then you will get all those things in it. After that, assumption and constraints means that there are some other specific details for your project like deadlines or specifications, then you get them in it. After that, there is the summary and milestone schedule, that is the total summary of it. So you get that too in it. After that, your budget summary is also available in it. After that, you get the project holder or stakeholder list. You get that too in it. After that, the requirement of the project after charter preparation also comes in it. After that, your project manager is also assigned within it, and after that, the name and authority of the person, that is the one who will prepare this project charter. If there is any authorization or authorities, then that should also be defined by it. Then this all process is done for charter preparation, and after charter preparation, next comes the identity stakeholder meaning which stakeholder is the holder, that is who is included in the entire process of your organization or who are the persons or workers or managers related to it. Then you can find out from this. Then this whole thing has come inside the identify stakeholder, which is also included in the charter preparation.